Before we get into Chapter 11, we're going to go back to Chapter 1 and cover 1.1, Nets and Drawings for Visualizing Geometry. We got a key term here. It's a net. We're going to be working with nets in this chapter. A net is a two-dimensional diagram that you can fold to form a three-dimensional figure. A net shows all of the surfaces of the figure in one view. So basically you're taking a three-dimensional figure such as a cube or a prism, and you're breaking the sides down flat so that you can see all of the sides and all of the measurements. Here we have an example of a net. This is a net of our three-dimensional shape, which is a cube. So we've taken all of the sides and we've flattened it out so we can see all of the sides without having to turn it. Now the question is, which letters will be on the top and the left side of the cube? Well, the ones facing us is D. Okay, that's right here in our net. And you can see it's oriented the same way. It's facing the same way. So on the left side, or to the right of it, you'd see we'd have C. On top we would have B. On the bottom we would have A. To the left we would have E, and in the back we would have F. So if I want the top and the left side, the top part is B, the left side is E. So the top would be B, left would be E. For this next example, we're going to be identifying a net from a solid. So we're given this three-dimensional prism here, and they want us to label the net with its dimensions. So how we're going to do that is we have to label the sides. So this 12 is the height. Okay, so 12 is the height. 2 is going to be our base width, and 7 is going to be our length. So those three sides. So if you look at it here, this 12 is going to be here, and it's also going to be in the back corner. The 2 is going to be there, and the 7 is going to be this way around. So if we were to fold the top and the bottom off, it would look something like this, with the blues still being the lengths of 2, the greens still being the lengths of 7, and then it'd be connected with those lengths of 12. Okay, and then if we were to open up the sides, there should be 4 sides of all the way around, so we'll put 2 of them over here and 1 of them over here. Now if you look at the tops, they alternate between blue and green. So the tops are going to alternate as well. So green, blue, blue. Same thing on the bottom. Blue, green, blue, green. So this is going to be our net. All of the green lengths are 7. So if I went around 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, 7, our blues are all 2, and the reds are all 12. Okay, so this is our net of our box that's right here.